In the last class, we read about road safety and its importance. This class, we will read about paragraph 2. Before that, let's watch this video.
The parking symbol. It means we can park our vehicle here. We have to stop our vehicle when we see the stop symbol on the road. The give way symbol means that we should give way to the traffic on a major road. The symbol of a circle with a number in it is the sign for the speed limit. For example, this sign shows a speed limit of 50 kilometers. It means that we should drive our vehicle at a speed of 50 kilometers. The school ahead symbol is used only where there are schools near the roads. The driver needs to drive slowly on such roads. Do not park the vehicle where a no parking symbol is shown.
The text, paragraph 2. Road Safety Week is one of the awareness programs for road safety. It is a national event aimed at raising public awareness about traffic rules and to reduce road accidents and help people save their lives as well as the lives of other people on the road. Though the government observes road safety weeks, many charitable organizations, non-government agencies and private firms across the country also organize and provide logistic support to the Road Safety Week campaign. The aim of this campaign is to sensitize people about the outcome of drunken driving, high-speed driving, and the importance of wearing a helmet for bikers and a seat belt for four-wheel drivers. They are instructed not to use cell phones or listen to music while driving. Word notes, paragraph 2. Event means something that happens at a given place and time. Raise means cause to be known, utter or express. Charitable organization means organization relating to charity বা দাতব্য অনুষ্ঠান. Campaign means a series of actions meant for a particular end বা অভিযান. Logistic support absolutely necessary to the operation of a campaign. Outcome means result. Now we will discuss the key ideas of paragraph 2. What is Road Safety Week? Road Safety Week is an awareness program for road safety. Who observe it? Government, charitable organizations, non-government agencies, private firms. Why is it observed? It is observed to sensitize people about the result of drunken driving, high-speed driving, to let them realize the importance of helmet and seat belt, to make them aware of traffic rules, to decrease road accidents, and to help people save their lives. Comprehension questions, paragraph 2. Question number 1. What is Road Safety Week? Answer. Road Safety Week is an awareness program for road safety. Question number 2. What does Road Safety Week aim at? Answer. It aims at increasing public awareness about traffic rules and how to decrease accidents. Question number 3. Who provide logistic support to the Road Safety Week campaign? Answer. Charitable organizations, non-government agencies and private firms provide logistic support to the Road Safety Week campaign. Question number 4. What are the drivers instructed while driving? Answer. The drivers are instructed not to use cell phones or listen to music. Question number 5. Who need to wear a seat belt while driving? Answer. The four-wheel drivers need to wear a seat belt while driving.